Good evening, everyone. Yeah, we are going to learn how to constrain, for example, number to limit the number of something like the questions. The question can be what's the phone number, and now say that the phone number should not exceed seven figures, like 7 digits. Then put this constraint. When someone is putting over seven digits, it will not pass. The same thing, for example, asking the question what's the name, and now saying that the name should not exceed 7 letters or 9 letters, something like that. And maybe when we are dealing with codes, we can say, for example, that this code should be composed with only four letters, 4 figures, and three underscore, something like that is what we are going to learn this evening. For example, we can start by asking, what's the phone number? Yeah. What's the phone number? Now from there, what's the phone number? Because we are expecting a digit, we can use integer, and now from there we can constrain. Yeah, but the part of constraint using regex, and we can open that one like that. And now having this kind of things. Okay, see that when we put 0 to 9, that's mean only that we are dealing with a numbers here. And now if we want only 7 digits to be allowed, or 6, you can just put 6, and now put in dollars behind, and at that moment now, dollars behind there, and now we can close our bracket, something like that. Okay, and now the constraint here, which will come when we are exceeding seven figures, should be saying that the phone number should not exceed 7 digits, things like that. And now the same thing with the name. We can just ask the question, what's the name? What's the name? And now saying, for example, name, and now here text. We are using the same kind of constraint, saying regex, we have dot, comma, and we can now have again the same thing like the one we use above. And now from in the bracket, we have just to put in the bracket, which we have to put A to Z. Okay, A to Z, and now behind you can say should not exceed 10. We end up with $sign, and we can close our bracket now, and the message concerns the name, the name should not exceed 10, like that, some things like that. Yeah, that is, the name should not exceed 10 letters. That means then A to Z, and now we have 10 behind. When we are putting a name which is shorter than 10 letters, it will not go. When it's exceeding also 10 letters, it will not go. Yeah, that is the constraint we learned this evening. Then at the end, when you deploy this form in your server, you will have something like that. from the numbers. When you put something, a phone number which is exceeding 6 figures, it will show you it will not go, it will not pass, and now you will receive the message. The number of phone should be 6 digit. And now about the name equal. When you put the name, when the number of letters are less than 10, you will receive the message. It will not pass, and you will receive the message telling that the name should be a composed of 10 letters. You can see the name you put just above there is 7 letters. It will not pass. That is, and also when you are doing with code, you can also constrain your code, like saying that the code should be composed of 3 letters, 4 digits, and 2 underscore, for example. We hope that one will help you. Thank you so much.